friends, in this video we will be learning the basics of Wi-Fi architecture. The LAN protocols are defined in IEEE 802 sets. Wi-Fi is defined as 802.11. This standard defines MAC and PHY layer protocols. There is a separate working group for Wi-Fi development in IEEE Computer Society. Wi-Fi consists of the WLAN stations and the wireless media. The stations can be portable such as access points and laptop, or they can be mobile stations like phone that runs on the battery. Wireless media is just like the open air. Let us understand about the wireless medium. Consider an access point. It has a limited boundary beyond which its signal cannot be decoded. The stations connected to the AP must be within the boundary. Hackers can come within the range and can listen the packets. Thus, Wi-Fi is prone to be hacked. The signal can degrade, thus it is not much reliable than the wired network. There can be cases where some of the stations in the same network may not be able to listen to other stations. The AP may even face interference from the neighbor AP operating in the same channel. There are different types of BSS: infrastructure BSS, independent BSS, personal BSS, and mesh BSS. Let us understand some other basic terms. BSS stands for Basic Service Set. The coverage area till which the BSS operates is called Basic Service Area. Outside BSA, the signal cannot be decoded. Consider multiple BSS are present. Multiple BSS are connected together via distributed system and the medium is referred as distributed system medium. These multiple BSS shares the same SSID and forms an ESS. This is just like our office environment with multiple APs present in all the corners with the same SSID. Thus, we never get disconnected. The distributed system can have someone accessing through LAN. This is called portal. Now consider a mesh BSS. A mesh BSS is connected to the distributed system via mesh gate. Independent BSS and personal BSS are not connected to the DS. Thus, we can't access internet via these networks. That's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching this video.